Good morning, El Paso. Good morning, Crockett. This morning we're going to play a game. It's called Card Sharks. In our Crockett School, we have played it maybe once or twice, but I'm going to go over it real quick because not all the classes have played. All you need is a deck of cards from this game. This game is something you can do at home. It's pretty easy. Now, depending on how you can play by yourself, you can play with 2 or 3 people. Right here, I have some cones. I use some cans in case you don't have cones. What I do is I have a deck of cards. I have the deck of cards, and each person who plays is assigned a suit. So a suit is, say, for example, I'm just using picture cards. The picture cards are the jacks, our queens, and our kings. And when we play the game, each person will be assigned to a suit. So, for example, I'll take jacks. My son over here, Luke, will be kings. And we shuffle up the cards. And the more suits you add, if you add 2, 3s, 4s, and 5s, and so forth, the harder it's going to be because it's also a memory game too. So we shuffle them up, and we take the cards, and we place them, we spread them out right in front of our cones or cans that we have. And Luke, you're going to get behind, pick a cone or a can to get behind. When we spread them out, it all depends on how much room you have. If you're playing indoor, well, you're going to be confined, and room may be a problem, so you may have to play a small course. And if you go outside, you can make this as big as you want. The bigger it is, the more running you're going to get in. So right now, I'm going to go over to my cone, and we'll play on this small court right here. So when I say go, we're going to go. What are you looking for, Luke? Kings. You're looking for kings? I'm looking for jacks. When I find my picture card, I bring it back and I put it under my cone. Once I find my 4, my pair, I'm good. Ready? You gotta run. Ready? They're there. Go! If it's not your card, what you do, you put it back, face side down. So I go back, I touch my cone. You only can take one, and don't let your opponent see. They have to go back. If it's not your cone, you got to go back. Your card. I got one. I got 2. Be careful, you don't kill each other. Done. So Luke won. Let's see your kings. He got his suit, his 4 kings. I only had 2. I had 2 jacks. So I lost. Luke won. And you could play a couple rounds of this. If you add more cards in, obviously it becomes more harder. Also, if you spread it out, it's more difficult too because you're going to be doing a lot more running. You can mix it up with running or skipping or galloping, any way you want to do it. All right, have a good one. See you tomorrow.